I've been using these for years. They're the magnetic cable charging and data. They do both. They work really well. I've already tested them in the past with other devices. They work excellently. And I have absolutely no complaints. I don't know what this thing is for. It's a marker. Oh, one of them came off. These are the iPhone. Oh, because it only has 3. So the idea behind this is, the way I'm using it is just to make it easier to plug things in. So when you're doing firmware updates on the controller, on the actual Mavic, it'll be easier to use this over using another cable. What I don't like is the fact that I don't like these micro USB. I actually like the mini USBs or USB-C, but I guess USB-C still hasn't caught on to everything. So when I'm using micro USB, I've broken these in the past by putting them in wrong and pushing too hard. So what I've done to fix that is I purchased these things. So you'll see how they work. You plug them in. Let's see this one. Are they plugged in? Let me make sure I'm plugging this in right. This looks like the right way. Okay. And it's not going in. See, this is, I don't like that. So anyway, let's take this one so I can see this one, no issues whatsoever. Put it in. Okay, and now when I need to take it off, I just unplug it magnetically. When I need to charge, has a little green light when it's charging here, or when you need to data transfer firmware updates, it works just fine that way, so no issues right there. Perfect. I really, really like it. So much better to use this. Let me just measure the cable. I think these are 5 feet cables, I'm not sure. Just double check them. Cable lengths are over 5 feet long. All of them the same size. So I'll be using one for the battery. I'll be putting one on the controller if I can get it in there. Finally got it in. I just have such difficulty with these. I just don't like micro USB. So this solves the issue for me. And just plug it in, charge it, and that's it. And then make sure it works. It has the lightning adapter. I won't be using these. I'll keep them to the side, but I won't be using them. I'll keep them in this container. I always keep these containers to keep cables and small things like this around. I never throw these away. I love these plastic things. And I don't know what these are for. I don't know. I actually don't know. If you know, let me know below, because I have no idea. They look like you might tie them around to, I don't know, indicate which ones. I can't imagine them maybe to pull. I don't know. So I'm going to be using it on my controller. So you saw I put it on my battery case, my controller, and let me see if I can. Okay, and this is the micro USB one. Plug it in there. Now it makes it easier than having to plug these things in. Okay, and like I said, you could do data, power with these. I've already used them before. They work just fine. There is no issues with these. Okay, I charge with them and everything. They all come fine. I've never had a problem with them. I know that they work. Awesome. So that's the product. I hope you like what I'm using it for. I hope it gives you ideas. Maybe you'll decide to do it this way. It's great. That way, I just need to make sure I have these cables, and I'm done. No issues whatsoever. I just found out what these are for. They're right here. I'll try to put it in the middle of the video to take it out. You definitely need this. This helps you take it out in a tough spot where you can't get it out. So this is the actual micro USB. Let me take some pictures of it. All right, so I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Thank you.